Tired of endless searching for the perfect student pad in Leeds? Say hello to Briggate Studios, your hassle-free gateway to modern living. Discover a range of classic to premium studios, each designed with your comfort in mind. Sink into the coziness of a comfy bed and keep your belongings organized with plenty of storage. But wait, there's more. Dive into focused study sessions and quiet study spaces. On weekends, have a blast with friends in the games room or enjoy your favorite movies in the cinema room. Stay fit in the on-site yoga room and feel secure with 24/7 security. Plus, with utility bills included in the rent, you can save extra. Location? It couldn't be better. Just a short distance from the University of Law and BPP Law School. Commuting is a breeze. On weekends, grab delicious bites at McDonald's or Burger King. For drinks with friends, hop over to the Bowers Tap Pub. Need groceries? Marks & Spencer is just a short walk away. Plus, excellent travel options make getting around town effortless. Ready to elevate your student life in Leeds? Visit amberstudent.com and secure your spot at Briggate Studios today.